Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is about using the control key or control button to draw a symmetrical line with your three-point curve, which I use quite a bit. I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to let go for just a second, then I'm going to start moving my line upward. But you can see I'm not symmetrical. But if I hold down my control button, it's symmetrical now. And no matter where I go, it's going to draw it symmetrically. Now, I don't know if I'm in the exact center of the page, but when you let go, and then you can hit P and put it in the center of the page. And now that, if we bring in an indexing line and put it in the center of the page, and here's a good test you can always do. Click on your item and Control D and make a duplicate, and then mirror it. That line should be right on top of one another if they're drawn symmetrically. So you could actually take that line, get my pick tool, take that line and hold down your control button and move it down there, and you've got a weird shape. But anyway, just take your three-point line curve, and if you want it flat, then let go for just a second, and you actually let go of your mouse button for a second. I'm using my left mouse button when I let go of that. So no matter really where you go from there, it's going to draw it symmetrically. It's a pretty cool feature if you're doing something that is a different shape than you can produce. You can produce that with an ellipse tool. And if you're just drawing let's just do it again. I'm going to hold down that. I'm going to let go of my mouse button. And let's say you want this shape right here. Well, you need to be symmetrical, so hold down your control button, and then you can have just a shallow part of a line. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.